Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. This is S. Naveen Kumar, your computer science teacher from Bardasnar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now we are going to see 11th standard computer application subject. In this subject, chapter number 6, Introduction to Word Processor. In this chapter, today we are going to see the concepts of page formatting. Before we are entering into this today's session, I recap the previous session. What are the concepts we are discussed previously? Very simple. What are the concepts we are discussed, children? Yeah, very good. Paragraph alignment and line spacing and indenting the text and bullets and numbering. Okay. What is the meaning of paragraph? Yeah, very good. The single line is also called as a paragraph, and group of line is also called as a paragraph. How we can split the entire documents into a paragraph by paragraph? How we can split? Yeah, very good. We can press the enter key to split the document. Okay, press the enter key. And what are the types of alignment we have? Left alignment, right alignment, justified alignment and centered alignment. We have 4 types of alignment. Okay, and next one, line spacing. How we can give some space between one line of text to another line. This is an example space. This is a line space. It have different types: single, 1.5, double, at least, leading, fixed, proportional. This is the different types of line spacing. Based upon the document needs or user needs, we can change the line spacing. And indenting the text. What is the meaning of indenting text? It should be indented from right to left or left to right. And bullets and numbering. This is an example for bullets and numbering. We are giving a key point. It gives a easy attraction to the reader. Okay. This is an example for bulleting. These concepts we are discussed previous session. Now we are going to see changing the page size. These concepts comes under which topic? Wow, very good. Page formatting. Okay. We want to change the page size. Changing the page size means that should be in the form of paper format. Want to change the page size means we can change the paper size also, or we can do that paper format, or we can change the page size or paper size. And how many types? We have several types. Some examples are A4 and A3 and some other documents, either it may be a legal. Okay, these are the different formats we have. We can select any of the format, and we want to change the margin also. What is the meaning of margin? Margin means its margin referred as a printable area or printing area. In that printing area is referred as a margin. For example, in a box, in this paper here, this is a margin. In this margin referred as a printing area. And page color and page border. We want to change the page color also and page border also. Okay. This can be explained practically. Today we are going to see page formatting. Okay. What is the meaning of page? The document, that is the work area. This is the page. That is the white color document is there, this is the page. We are going to see now how can we format the page. How can we format the page? Formatting means we want to change the orientation and change the margin and change the page size, that is the paper size. Okay, these are the concepts today we are going to see. Okay. In this, first of all, we want to change the page size, that is paper size. How will you change the page size? So very simple. We are using format menu and click page option. In this, page style dialog box will be appear on a screen. In this page style dialog box, you can select the format, that is the paper format tab. In that paper format tab, you can select the format drop down list box. You want to select the page size. For example, you want to select A6 means click A6. This is the preview box. We can change the size of a page. A6 means this is the preview, and A5 and A4. A4 is the our A4 sheet format, that is a book or textbook or whatever it may be, default format. You can select and OK. Click A4, and this is the way for changing the page size. And then we want to change the height and width of the page also. How we can change the height and width? So very simple. Format, page and page style dialog box. You can increase the height and width and decrease the height and width of the document. You can click an up arrow. The height should be increased, and in width width should be increased. Here you can see that. Okay, and then height, you can click the up arrow in that particular box, height also increase, and click OK. Here you can see the changes, little bit changes. Okay, and next we are going to see that change the page margin. What is margin? Here one line, small line is there. This line is called as a margin. What is the usage of that margin? Margin is mainly used for protecting the printing area, display the printing area. Okay, now we want to change the margin also. How we can change the margin? Here we can use the format menu and click the page option. In that format menu, here this is the margin tab. In that margin we have a left, right, top, bottom. Yes, we want to use the margin, we want to change the margin. We know the exact value of left margin and right margin of a particular page, or top margin and bottom margin of a particular page. We can use the dialog box, page style dialog box. For example, here you want to change the margin as left margin as 0.85 and in right margin as 0.85, in top margin as 0.90 and bottom margin as 0.90, and click OK. The margin size should be changed. Suppose you doesn't know the exact value, you can use the ruler. This is the ruler. Okay, you can place the mouse pointer in the appropriate position. It will be changed as in double-sided headed arrow. Now you can see this is a double-sided headed arrow, and click and drag. The margin should be deferred. Here also you want to change. This is the changing the method for left and right margin. In this vertical ruler, which is used to change the margin for what? Top and bottom margin. Okay. In here bottom also you want to change. Okay, this is the procedure for changing the margin. Okay, next we want to change the orientation of a page. The orientation of a page is a very simple. That's a vertical means it is a portrait, and this should be an horizontal means it should be a landscape. How we can change the orientation? It is a very simple procedure. You can click format and page option. In that format page option, you have a orientation. The default orientation is portrait, and click the landscape. Here we can see the changes in that particular page, and this is the rectangle box. Would be the width of the document should be greater than the height of the document. That is called landscape. But in portrait, the height of the document should be greater than the width. The default orientation is portrait. Now I change landscape. Here these two buttons are radio button. We can choose only one option at a time. Here we can see this is the format of landscape, but I want to change into what? I want to change into portrait. How you can change? Format, page, in page style dialog box, click orientation option as portrait and click OK. The default orientation is portrait. Okay. Next we are going to see the change the page color and border. How can you change the border of a page? Very simple. We can use the menu format, page, and this is the border. In click the border tab, you can select the border thickness or border line thickness, and what is the color of that particular border also. You want to select the particular color border. Default color is black. Here you want to change as a red, means you can click red and then click OK. Here what happened? The border of a page should be changed now. How we can identify the border of a page is changed? Here you can select that particular content, format, page, and then select that particular line and then select the color of a border and click OK. This is the method for changing the page border. And next we want to change the background color. How we can apply the background color for a particular page? This is the icon. This is the icon for changing the background color for a particular paragraph. We want to change the color for a particular page, means format, page, and click a background. You can fill any color in that particular page. For example, I want click on blue color, click OK. What happened? All the page, entire page should be applied as a color, background color as some other. And then you want to change the background border also. Here our format, page and border. Here you can select, set all 4 border, and then you can click any line, and then you can select any color and then click OK. Here we can see the border. Okay, are you clear now? This is the way for changing the border. Are you clear, children? Today we are discuss what are the concepts we are discussing now. Changing the page orientation and changing the page size, that is paper size, and how to change the background color of a page, and how to change the border, and how to we can change the border color also. Yes, are you clear? I hope you are all enjoying this session. We have attached the study material and self-assessment question paper in the below description. You can go through the study material and evaluate yourself with the help of this self-assessment question paper. Thank you, students. We will see in the next session.